Hi, I'm Sean Cockrell. I am known as the Einstein of the ranching world due to my hair. I do just a very little inside a pen, other than bait pin for fun. We're going to be doing a lot of that here to teach the dogs about hogs, but it's not hunting, it's training. And there's a little bit of work to be done in the pens with cattle. As you can see, this pin, this is large, and we can funnel them around that way to that top compartment or down this way to this bottom compartment. But when you or even two guys are trying to move these cattle right here, they start holding up, giving you trouble. Okay, so we put a dog down and we're just gonna harass them a little bit till they're ready to go into that gate right there. Easy, Quant, easy, easy. Easy, easy, Quant, that'll do. Give about 45 seconds of this, and then we'll listen to whatever I say. Quant, away! Easy, easy, easy! Quant, out! Easy. 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 Let's go. Quant, easy. 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 Come on. Quant, come by. Quant, come by. Good boy. Ultimo. 100%. Good boy, Quant. Quant, out. Good boy, Quant.